Internal mirroring now works correctly with our mirror brush when we're focusing on our bilateral symmetric code. So let's look at what we've done in this video. Go over the deltas for video 433. In the top level variables, in the array GTX GTY section, we have increased the capacity of these paired arrays to 8. In the MIRMAID editor symmetric bilateral function, we have made a whole bunch of tiny changes everywhere. So inside of our triply nested loop here, we have gotten rid of all of the else's at the end of all of these different blocks of code. So all of the else's have been removed at every single point here. Every single point. And then this guard here for OK has kind of changed, where OK is only going to be set to 0 if our paired arrays do not have any information in them. Also, we have preconditions have kind of changed for each one of these sections. So we're always going to look at X, Y, and D and which bits were set in the input. So right here, we've added the Y selection here to the bilateral X light. We've added the Y selection here to the bilateral X dense. We've kind of reworked this section to have the X, Y, and D selection for bilateral Y light and whether or not the Y bit is set. And then down here, X, Y, and D selections for the triply nested loop and making sure that the X, Y, and D bits are, the Y and D bits are set here, but we don't care about the X bit here. And then yeah, that's it. So just a whole bunch of miscellaneous changes. What we did previously, what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You have been on this playlist. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail, and the source code is here. So I'm Kanji Coder.